Hey everybody, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. I am at CES 2023. I am checking out Bluetti, whatever you want to call it. These are some amazing power stations. And you guys have some cool stuff to show off this year, right?
Yes, definitely. Hello everyone, my name is Yolanda from Bluetti. I am representing Bluetti at CES. So this is our newest product. We just launched this on Indiegogo and we have gained a huge success on that.
Awesome.
And lots of people want to see it actually. And right now people can just come to our booth and see what they have bought. Yeah.
Fantastic. This is so cool. So what are all of these different outputs and everything that you've got going on here?
Okay, so just as our older product, we have DC outputs right here and here, and these are all the AC outputs, and here is the touch screen definitely. And as you can see, for the AC output on the EP500, we add more. We have 30 amps, two 30 amps, and one 50 amps port. And then we have a three regular 20 amps ports also. So these are for some small devices, like just like the portable refrigerator right here.
Okay.
But for this, you know, people can actually use them for the RVs, for their electrical cars, things like that. Yeah.
That's awesome. So yeah, so two DCs up here. These are 100-watt USB-C ports, by the way. These are fast.
Yeah.
Those are really fast. And then you got more. There's four USB-A.
Yes.
So 6 USB-C or USB-C and A outputs, 2 car outputs, standard small AC appliances, and all these for electric vehicles. That is awesome. So tell me about that. So these are like stacked and connected together. I don't know if everyone can see. We'll put the B-roll over it, but these are all connected together. So is this increasing the capacity then of the whole setup?
Yes. So as you can see right here, we have two B300S stacking together. Each battery gives you an extra 3,072 watt-hour capacity.
Okay.
So these two together will be 6,000, and that's a lot already.
Yeah.
But if people want to add more, each AC500 can stack up to 6 B300S battery.
So in total then, how many, what's that, before I try to do the math, what's that total add up to in terms of capacity if you maxed out the system?
It's close to 20,000, so like 18,000-ish.
Wow.
Yeah.
18,000 watt hours.
Yes.
That is a lot of juice.
That's insane. And what you can also do is, this system is a single phase right here. But what you can also do is get two AC500 and connect them in split phase mode, and that will give you a 10,000 watt output. So it will it will actually increase the power output for your system. Yeah.
That is very cool. And then you guys support like solar panels, inputs, and everything on these?
Yes, correct. I think this system actually accept the maximum up to 3,000 watt for the PV input. So people can actually do the AC and DC input at the same time, just like our other devices. So yeah, I mean, people will definitely love it.
That's awesome. So these are now on Indiegogo. They can back them now. You can get your own AC 500, 5,000 watt hour capacities. This is cool. Yeah. We have more things to show, so let's go find some more stuff to look at.
Yes, please. Let's have a booth tour.
Okay, so now we're here, and these are particularly exciting to me because we live out in the country a little bit right now, and we have blackouts and brownouts all of the time. So tell me what we're looking at with all of this here.
Okay, so as you can see, it's called EP900, and this inverter has 9,000 watt output, and the main difference between this system to the AC500 that we see is this one is for grid tied only.
Okay.
This is not for off-grid, and this is for this is the product that we designed for American market, where I know the grid is not very stable here, and we
Exactly.
have lots of blackout recently. In Bay Area right now, where there's like a crazy pouring rain. So how this works is people install them at their house, like at their garage or outside.
Okay.
And then each inverter can stack up to 4 batteries.
Wow.
So each battery give you an extra almost 5,000 watt hour.
Okay.
So that's 5,000 watt hour compared to the 3,000 watt hour for the AC 500 that we saw earlier. So yeah.
So at EP90, 900 on top, 9,000 watt hours in this guy.
Yes.
And then you can stack how many of these B500s?
Up to 4.
So 4 of these with almost 5,000 watt hours
so that'll
each.
be 20,000 watt hour.
So that's going to back up your whole house.
Yes.
So your power goes out, this keeps you online.
Yeah, for a couple days. And so let me tell you how this works.
Okay.
As you can see, we have the sub panel and the main panel right there, and this is the rapid shutdown. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this. So this is how the system is gonna be looking like.
Okay.
So what you do is you connect your rooftop solar panels
Okay.
to the main panel, and then you do all the essential load and non-essential load setting on your sub panel. Let's say, tell me something that's at your house and you definitely don't want to lose power.
I mean, like my fridge. Like
Your
our
refrigerator, right?
Yeah.
Right. I mean, if you're right here and there's something going on at your house, you don't want to go back to your house and find out everything in your
No,
fridge is.
we're in Las
Yeah.
Vegas. If my power goes out, I'm in trouble.
Yeah.
I'm in big trouble.
Okay, so you do the setting on the sub panel,
Okay.
and then let's say the power right now is off. You guys have like blackout, and this system will kick in a couple milliseconds, and then it will take over. It will take care of your refrigerator. And when you go home, you will figure out, oh, there's no power for the lights, no power for Wi-Fi, but your refrigerator is.
That's awesome. So
Keep
yeah,
going.
lights, gadgets, those are going to be non-essential. Those will stay offline, saving you power.
Yes.
And then your fridges, your freezers, anything else that's important stays online until your power comes back on. So how long could this power your house? Like, a normal house. Trying to think of normal things that people would have, but how long could this power your house while the power goes out?
It depends on how many devices you're connected
Sure.
to the essential load. But let's say you put refrigerator and air conditioner. This system with 1 inverter and 2 battery, it can run the system, run the device at your house for a couple days or a couple weeks.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're living in an area that has problems with all of this stuff that's going on, flooding and all the other storms that have been wiping out power, Texas had all those problems going on. Completely back it up. We have been looking at these for a long time for our house.
Yeah. And you know
is
what?
so cool.
There are some other goods for this system except except the UPS mode that we were talking about. There's like the bill is going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in California, I'm not sure if the situation is gonna be the same in other states, but in California, there's like a peak things, like during 5 p.m. when there's lots of people are using the power.
And it's more expensive.
It is more expensive. But at like 1 a.m. at midnight, it's definitely cheaper. So what you can do is you can set the timer on this system. So the battery will start charge the power from the grid at like midnight when the power is cheaper, and then you can use the power in the battery during the peak to save some money.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
You can run your AC when the power is super expensive and run it off a battery that you harvested at midnight.
Yeah, correct.
That is awesome.
There's another thing is, it definitely, the situation is gonna be different depending on what power company you're working with in your area. But you know, right now, if you have like a rooftop solar panel, and then you are using the power by Bluetti's EP900 system, and then at the end of month, if you have more power remain, that's made from your rooftop solar panel, you can actually store them in this battery and sell it back to the power company.
That's amazing.
So yeah, that's like another way of
It's
getting
going to
some
pay
investment.
for itself.
Yes.
It's going to pay for itself, everyone. That's so cool.
Yeah. So that's some benefit of getting this system, and I'm excited for this.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
You have anything else you want to show us?
Not for right now, but I think it is definitely cool to let people see how everything. You can hear like there's fans.
Yeah, I can
the
feel
sound,
the
yeah.
airflow coming through.
Yeah, so you know this demo is actually this is real thing. We're not trying to fool some people just
This is working
by
right
putting,
now.
Yes, it is working right now. Let's say right now everything goes well in your area, but suddenly there's like a storm coming and you guys have like blackout.
Storm comes, power gets cut.
Yeah, so right now the non-essential load goes off.
Okay.
And the essential load keeps going on.
So these two are on the essential.
Yes.
And that one's non-essential.
Non-essential, yeah.
Awesome.
So you see
You
how
didn't
this
even
works.
did they even flicker? I don't even see him notice. I didn't even see him flicker or anything when the power went off.
No flicker, no.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So that's it. That's how it works, and this is amazing. People will not even realize there's blackout.
That is very cool. Thank you so much, Yolanda, for walking me through everything you have here at CES 2023. Is there anywhere you want to point anyone? Tell me to go check out. We'll add some links down below in the description for everybody for the Indiegogo campaigns. Anything else that you want to mention?
Please come visit us. It is we're so excited to be here at CES, and our booth looks amazing this year.
It looks
Please
amazing.
come over North Hall, 9335.
Awesome.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.